what's up, guys? My name is Sharon.
My name is Jack.
And welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, go ahead, please, and hit that subscribe button for us and give us a thumbs up, please, so we can continue bringing these wonderful videos to you. All right? Today, we want to have a little talky through to some of you married folks out there. And some of you guys who are thinking about getting married.
Help them, Lord.
We're going to have a little talk today. We will be back with financial tip number 2.
Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not so average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Financial tip number 10. Okay now, growing up as a child, we were always taught that 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? But do you know that in a marriage,
Here we go.
that 1 plus 1 still equals 1?
Oh, Lord!
You plus your spouse equals 1 unit. 1 unit. Alright? And you guys believe that? Yeah,
Nope.
we believe you. Yeah, we feel you. We feel you there. But let me ask you this. If you believe that, then why are you still hiding money from each other?
Oops.
Why are you hiding your money? And I'm not talking to everyone now. Just those whose toes are tingling right now.
How do them bunions fit?
The ones hurling B words at me. Can't believe she went there. Yes, she did. And we're going even deeper.
Stop hiding that money.
So let me tell you right now, okay? Before we even get into this thing, before I start digging in, I am not here to tell you how to manage your marriage. But I am here to try to give you advice on how to manage your money in your marriage, okay? The problem with most of you is that, oh yeah, you had a beautiful wedding, but the marriage never commenced, all right? Because you went into it with a just-in-case state of mind.
They had the wedding, but the marriage never began.
I'm gonna save this over here just in case.
I was married now.
I'm not gonna tell her I got that raise, just in case. Cause she be tripping. Girl, I've got me a nest egg over here. Just in case. Alright? That is the problem most of you face today. Alright? There is no commitment. You didn't even go into it with the mindset of being in it for the rest of your life. But don't you realize that there is power in numbers? That is, if you put your resources together, money, that's what I'm talking about, okay? Because that's what my channel is about, money. There's so much more that you can do. So much more that you can accomplish. Do you understand that? You have to unite. This is your life's partner. So if you think you have to hide your money, you don't have a money issue. You have a trust issue, which is really one of the primary bases of a longevity of a marriage, okay? So you need a licensed marriage counselor for that, all right? That's where you need to go. That's out of my field, all right? That's not why I'm here. But you have to really take a look at this. And I'm also speaking to those who are attempting or considering marriage. You have to go into this marriage with the state that this is my life's partner. This is my life. This is our life. There's no more me, yours, mine, hidden in a drawer and under the mattress in a separate bank account. Okay? But there's so much more that you can accomplish if you were to just combine your resources. When you see other married couples,
This will change your life.
Couples that are striving and they're doing so well, and you wonder how they're doing it, it's unity. Something you don't have. All right, you have to lose that just in case state of mind and start trusting the person that you're with.
You told that big ass lie at the
There's so much
altar.
more growth if you just come together. Wasn't that your original intent? Because if it wasn't, then why even go through the whole process? Oh, I know, because girl, I want everybody to know I have me a husband. Okay? I want to walk down the aisle looking pretty. I don't really want this thing. I want the wedding, but I don't really want this thing. Girl, that's my money. He ain't getting my money. She is not getting my money. Then you don't have anything. So you need to reconsider. Sit down, have a chit chat. All right? Anyway, like I said, I'm not a marriage counselor, and that is all I really have to say to you guys today about that. Get your money in order.
Marching to the beat of two different donkeys.
That's right. So please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give us that thumbs up. Support, share, okay? And we will see you on the next video. Video number 11. Oh yeah. I got a little chit chat with some people there too. See you guys on the next video.